You ask any auntie. Auntie, they are all bullying me. Said, auntie, what Preni auntie said? Aham, remember Baba, he will help you. When you went, then the second year you came, when you were 6 years old, is Baba helping you? Preni auntie asked. No, but no, auntie, Baba is not helping me. Okay. And he said, you are not remembering Baba from the bottom of your heart. You remember from bottom of your heart, and Baba will help you. Then next year you came every year your meeting. Preni auntie said, what Baba is doing for you? Is he helping you? Yes, auntie. Now Baba is helping you because when anybody is trying to attack me, I am remembering Baba, Baba, Baba. You become a leader. If somebody is attacking your group, you are defending them. You got to the state with that ego. I should protect my group. That is what you are remembering wholeheartedly. With my group, I should protect from the other group, rival group. This is your personal experience. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Now your experience only I'm telling you. So that thing, that group, like Gandhiji, how he protected the Indian nation, got the independence with his national ego, pride, that constructive ego, he brought independence. Like that, for you also, Preni auntie explained to you, you wanted to, now you become a leader of a big group, you are protecting that group with that ego. Now I should protect from the other rival gang. Are you happy with my answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Jai
yes.
Baba.
Does anybody else have any comments, questions? We can continue.
As inside his house only to ask me, but he never asked me Anmata. Ayana kuda I'll try and give 1 point. No, so no. What I in this topic now 1 point ఏంటంటే ultimate aim for us, ultimately when we become like God, right? At some point, many lives later, idea is we should become egoless. Okay, but until such time happens, we will always have ego. That is inherent. It's like breathing. Like we breathe. We can't just say I cannot breathe, right? I breathe. Like that, ego is also part of us. Like that. Okay. So the best way to then live with that ego is to try to use it in a positive way, rather than try to use it in a negative. When you try to use it in a negative way, we only become more stressful and more sad. When we at least try to use it in a positive way, although it is still ego, at least we are trying to make something positive, like what Tata mentioned, right? Like a knife. Let's try to use the knife to cut apples and vegetables. Let's try not to cut ourselves or cut other people with the knife. Ultimate aim is to not have the knife, but that will take long time. Try to use it, try to make use of it.
Very good. Anybody else has any comments?
Baba's example I tell.
Bhai?
Baba said, Ravi, Baba said, Baba said,
Sidhu, Chapama.
fire you can burn, fire you can use the Baba words. Fire can be used for cooking. Fire
Gita,
can
Sidhu wants to
burn.
say, Gita, Sidhu wants to say something. Go
Okay,
ahead.
I am
Sidhu?
telling the right point only, and I am digressing. This is Baba words I am telling. Fire can be used for cooking. Fire can be burnt also. The same way, ego we can use it. Jai Baba.
అయితే I want to do homework అన్నది
కొంచెం
దాని
దూరంగా
ego
మాట్లాడమ్మా సిద్ధు, కొంచెం దూరంగా పెట్టి మాట్లాడమ్మా.
క్లియర్ గా రావడం లేదు సిద్ధు, కొంచెం క్లియర్ గా రావడం లేదు. జస్ట్
ఇప్పుడు వస్తుందా?
యా,
డూయింగ్ హోంవర్క్ అన్నది ఐ వాంట్ టు డూ హోంవర్క్ అన్నది ఈగో కన్నా ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ హౌ వీఆర్ సీకింగ్ నాలెడ్జ్, రైట్? ఇట్ విల్ బి టు సీక్ నాలెడ్జ్ కదా. హౌ కెన్ వి సే దట్ ఈగో దట్ వీఆర్ సీకింగ్ నాలెడ్జ్ like how we are seeking spiritual knowledge now?
No, if we understand the ego part of it, what ego is, everything is I consciousness. Anything you do, that you use I consciousness. If you are sleeping in deep sleep, I consciousness ఉండదు, you are in a deep sleep. Siddhu and Krishna kuda lav anamata, because in deep sleepness, that I consciousness is at resting now. When you are awake, when you are conscious, Your only thing that you're using is I consciousness. That's what we are talking about ego. ఈగో మామూలుగా మిస్అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటాం. గట్టిగా హే అని గదమాయిస్తే ఓ ఈగో వాడుతున్నాడు, నేనే ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఎక్కువ చూపిస్తే ఈగో అనుకుంటున్నాడు, అట్లా అనుకుంటాం అనమాట. బట్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఎనీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఈగో, ఐ కాన్షియస్. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ get the answer. If anybody else has to say something, we'll go. Otherwise, we'll continue with reading.
Okay.
Elimination of ego అయిపోయింది. దాని తర్వాత మెహర్ బాబా's impact. Now Tata came to, can everybody mute please? Now Tata came to talk about Meher Baba. Meher Baba's impact is...
Sorry, Mike, can you share the screen?
I thought I'm already sharing, kada?
Oh,
No?
Stop ayindi.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Meher Baba's impact is an awakenment into love, pure love. That is the first statement. Those who have blessed fortune of, can everybody else mute? Those who have the blessed fortune of being drawn by him, drawn into the orbit of his love, have experienced the refreshment of love being in their hearts. Love for him and love for all that live. It is not love that comes and goes or that happens to be tethered to particular forms and conditioned by personal relationships. Human love, now he is talking about human love anamata. Human love is conditioned and limited. But Baba's love is unlimited and untainted, and equally to all, irrespective of the labels that are born as being of this nationality, race, caste, or creed, or that nationality, race, caste, and creed. Truly, it is a universal love. Here he is talking about human love and divine love. Now he's talking again, continuing with the divine love. When such love is born in one's heart, does not get transfigured into universal. It has to contend with the limitations that have made the limited ego of a man. ఇప్పుడు ఆ డివైన్ లవ్ మనలో పుట్టినప్పుడు it is not going to transform us completely anamata. That's what he meant here. That's what I understood here. This divine love will be in a seed form anamata. The seed can become tree, but provided we nurture that love. That's what he meant to be. It has to contend with the limitations and have made the limited ego of the man. The values that the ego has prized, such as మనందరికి ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి, సెక్యూరిటీ అని, వరల్డ్లీ పొజిషన్స్, నేమ్, డబ్బు, పేరు, ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ cannot stand for long against the promptings of love, which truly reflect the unity of the soul in all and which give true happiness. మనకి ఈ మనం before getting this love, we think our name, our security, మనం ఒక ఇంట్లో ఉంటాము, మంచి జాబ్ ఉంటుంది, ఫైనాన్షియల్ సెక్యూరిటీ, మంచి సేఫ్ ప్లేస్లో నైబర్హుడ్లో ఉంటాము, and also we make sure that we do our job so that we are provided food every day. All these securities, we try to take care of them anamata. బట్ ఎప్పుడైతే మనకి ఈ లవ్ అనేది మనలో వచ్చిందో అప్పుడు దీస్ సెక్యూరిటీస్ వాట్ వి గివ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంపార్టెన్స్ టు, we try to not ignore, they become less important. This love in our heart that is divine love, becomes very, very powerful anamata. That's what it is. It has to contend with limitations. Okay, here. The values of the ego has prized promptings of love, which truly reflect the unity of soul in all and which give true happiness. So Tata is saying this true love that gives us true happiness. We think we get the happiness from other things, going to a movie, starting eating an ice cream, or having a get together, all these things. And the citadels of illusion in all the forms of worldliness, which the false self of man has embraced and reared, are found to be nothing in a vast ocean of nothingness before the growing consciousness of true love, and value of love for others is nourishes as the expression of the spiritual truth of life. Love is an internal power. See, this statement itself is very powerful statement. I'm going to highlight it. It may not be visible to outside observation. Manam bite, even though we have this love outside, we are not going to change. We're going to have the same face. It's not going to be like putting up a makeup or something like that. Movie actors, they put on makeup and everything. Even Chandalanga chusina kuda brahmananga chestaru ee makeup artistlu. Yet, in effect, it is the greatest power which subdues the ego and makes the man rise consciously to the unused powers of awareness and knowledge in him slowly but steadily, and with increasing momentum, love remakes man into the divinity that he is intrinsically. ఇది తాత కొంచెం కాంప్లికేటెడ్ సెంటెన్సెస్ వాడేవాళ్ళప్పుడు ఆ రోజుల్లో ఇఫ్ వి బ్రేక్ ఇట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్ కదా, అర్థమైంది కదా అందరికీ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఇట్ హెస్ గాట్ గ్రేటెస్ట్ పవర్. ఆ మొమెంట్ అది మనకు అవేర్ అయినప్పుడు వి గెట్ స్లోలీ అండ్ స్టడీలీ మొమెంటమ్ విల్ టేక్ ఆన్ అండ్ ఇట్ రీమేక్స్ మ్యాన్ టు డివినిటీ దట్ హీ ఈస్ ఇంట్రిన్సికల్లీ వెరీ strong personality anamata. What love does internally cannot be known or described in external terms. In fact, one cannot envisage its working from outside. It has to be known internally and cherished internally. But the services it offers and the sacrifices it can cheerfully face and sustain are, I don't know this word, writ large, in the life story of Baba. Baba is God in human form, and his endurance of hardships and difficulties might not add to the glory that Baba is. But life with Baba has never been rosy path of easy and comfort. It was, on the contrary, a life of unceasing physical toil, bare physical nourishment, and uneven and insecure periods of rest. As if this ordeal is not enough, Baba was known to make sudden changes of plans, entailing or calling for a resilient mind to adjust to a fast changing scene of outer life. The habit of conforming to a fixed routine of life is the greatest obstacle to keeping the mind fluid to meet any situation and any change which life may bring. And the reality astonishing part of the story is that, in spite of such painful and grievous ordeals, the lovers, the Mandali they are called, who have elected to live with him and serve him in every wish of his, have stubbornly stuck to him for the love they received from Baba, which was far more precious than the worst severities which their bodies or their appetites might have had to endure. And they belonged to all religions and have been drawn from well-to-do families, living a life of indulgence and comfort. And Baba mentioned in his discourses that such love is not tasted by the mother who gives her all for the happiness of her child, including her life, not nor by the martyr who pays the supreme penalty of losing his life for the love of his country or his nation. Tata writing, Baba is comparing the divine love with mother's love and martyr's love. It is no way closer to that. I was reading some other place. Baba said, I'll continue that. Love is the way of Baba. Love is the way of life eternal by losing and dissolving the ties that bind life to finiteness and impermanence. It is the way of knowledge, bliss, and power, which finds the worldly things of life empty and futile. The impact of Baba is profound and lasting, incomparable in its results on man and society. Akkardo aptano. Let's have some discussion here about love. And just want to comment. Baba said, the sun tells kada Suryudu. We know that there are so many nuclear reactions are happening in the sun surface, or maybe inside, that's coming out, that beyond the capacity of even human understanding. Mana earth meda మనం న్యూక్లియర్ రియాక్షన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయటం వలన ద థర్మల్ ఎనర్జీ దట్ ఈస్ క్రియేటెడ్ హ్యాస్ గాట్ సమ్ లిమిటేషన్ 273 kelvins or something like that. But the nuclear reactions that are happening in sun is beyond these limitations anamata. And Baba compared that with divine love. Divine love is much more powerful than that severity of the sun surface. అది ఎందుకు చెప్పారంటే for us we have some idea what is sun surface like. So Baba is taking us to close to what our imagination is, and he's saying the divine power is beyond that the physical power of the sun. So now I'm going to, let's have some discussion on this. Is Ahan having any questions on love?
Padukun pad my.
Okay.
Got to sleep quite late too. After that thing he slept.
Yeah. So all we need is love, the divine love. I think we have to keep for nurturing that love. When we are nurturing that love, what I found is I don't really give a lot of importance to reading the books, and I give importance to this working on this love at work also. I never say anything to Baba, to anybody. Only thing I say is I try to love them, whether they are my superiors, CEO or somebody, or a person who comes to clean anamata. And I couldn't find a big difference how that brings us so much of the hospital. My hospital, I'm not saying I'm great or something. Everybody knows Ravi. So what am I doing is nothing but giving this small love anamata. I speak to everybody, not comparing, not doing any comparisons or anything like that anamata. Tell me your experiences, how you're using your love. I want to learn. Kiran, you could use,
Can I
Kiran,
come
you
in?
could use your love in your town hall meeting. I'll titta untaru. Can be obedient.
Always I am the target. Kayyan arustadu. Chinnapadi నుంచి when he was small also. Now,
Ante Gita, ante na
Roti always
Gita.
Baba
Ante
said
నాకు
democratic. No. I tell quickly. ఏంటంటే
అప్పుడు
Baba
చూస్తున్నావా
said,
నమస్కారం పెట్టాను నీకు.
Jai Baba. Baba said, one American asked Baba, what is the divine love you always say? Baba said, I will give you an example. He said, you were gone for 2 years away from home. After 2 years, you come back home. You see your child in Baba's words, I am telling you. tattered clothes, no food, and they are in poverty. Then what will happen to you? Yes, I feel bad, I cry, why I left them 2 years. Suppose if you see a child in tattered clothes with poverty on the road, do you feel the same love? No, I don't feel. The American said. When you have the same feeling, what you feel for your child, that is divine love. Then that person asked, American asked, how do I get the divine love? He said, Baba said, that is our practice. In our Bhagavad Gita, what abhyasam, that thing, number one thing, to catch hold of me, okay? When you are catching hold my daman, you are imbibing that love, that divine love, slowly. Not suddenly we won't get it. We make mistakes, but suddenly we become sometimes sympathy converts into empathetic. That empathy slowly comes as we are catching hold of Baba in his remembrance and all. He changes, he, what we say, he trains our heart in getting that divine love. This is the answer given to that American. Jai Baba.
బాయ్
బాగుంది అక్క. అవును, ఐ థింక్ దట్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ అంటే రోడ్ మీద వెళ్ళే పిల్లల్ని చూసేనా కూడా ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ దట్ సేమ్ ఆ బాధ అది కలిగితే, we don't have it, but if we try to practice that, then automatically mana I think love towards other people, genuine one, unconditional love, then that itself will మన కోపాలు, మన ద్వేషాలు, ఈగోలు అన్నిటినీ ఇట్ విల్ ఇచ్చావు. బాగుంది అక్క. యా, నైస్.
ఇంకో స్టోరీ చెప్తున్నాను. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా టైం. Muhammad as a avatar, okay, he was going on the road. He has one disciple, Ali, okay. He has only his mandali and all. Other people used to make fun of him and demeaning words and all, okay. This Ali used to get angry. Prophet Muhammad said, don't get angry, okay. When anybody humiliates you, go and kiss them. So one day they are so docile. The people opposite gang took advantage, spat on Ali's face. ఇప్పుడు in Muslims అంట spitting is very humiliating thing, very bad thing, okay. Suddenly he got angry and he tried to ఒక పంచ్ ఇద్దామని అనుకునే టైంలో వెనక ప్రాఫిట్ మహమ్మద్ అన్నాడు. హిస్ వర్డ్స్ ర్యాంగ్, అదే మనసులో సడన్ గా స్ట్రైక్ అయింది, గో అండ్ కిస్ హిమ్ అని. ఆ యాంగర్ టర్న్డ్ ఇంటూ కైండ్నెస్ అండ్ వెంట్ అండ్ హూ స్పాట్ ఆన్ హిమ్, అతని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ముద్దు పెట్టుకున్నారు. సడన్ గా హోల్ గ్యాంగ్ ఏమో చాలా దే ఫీల్ అషామ్డ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ హ్యాడ్ డన్. దే బికేమ్ ప్రాఫిట్ మహమ్మద్ disciples. This is Baba told story to directly to the Mandali people, okay. This is how the Guru, here the Guru's role comes, how he trains us up at the back of our, like oka korda patkani we flog the horse, no, come on like that. When we are doing correct way to walk in the path, he will be training us. He'll going ade ayanni manni ట్రైన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ జర్నీ టువర్డ్స్ హిమ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రోల్ ఆఫ్ ద గురు. Baba said, I am Guru and God.
Okay, Chanti has to say something, Gita. Chanti wants to say something.
Okay, Jai Baba.
Jai Baba.
కానీ మీకు బోర్ కొడితే, నేను బోర్ కొట్టలేదు కదా చంటి?
బోర్ కొట్టలేదు Gita. మంచి
చెప్తాను.
వెరీ గుడ్ స్టోరీ. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్ స్టోరీ.
ఐ యామ్ టెల్లింగ్ బాబా స్టోరీ.
కలమా అనానమస్ గా చేద్దాం పోల్ ఎండ్ లో.
చిన్నాడు మిమ్మల్ని ఆపుతున్నారు.
మీరున్నారుగా సైన్యం.
చంటిమాయి వాస్ గోయింగ్ టు సే సంథింగ్. చంటి చెప్పు. ఏంటి? బాయ్ వాంట్స్ టు సే సంథింగ్. బాయ్
చెప్పు వింటున్నాను.
ఆ, ఎవరు
Discussion,
మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? ఎవరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు? ఓకే, గో హెడ్.
Amma, last time when I was reading that material, I read one thing which was very nice. I think it was some Awakenings. I don't know the detail, which book.
చెప్పు
But I read that it says the title of this article from this avatarmeherbaba.org was "Try to be an ant, not an elephant." So when I was when you were reading Tata's book about ego, basically the smaller you see yourself in the grand scheme of things, the smaller your ego becomes. Or it's another thing about the thing that children, Amma nu cheppavu kada ippudu, when you look at your own child and you have great empathy for your own kids, then you're being like an elephant. The circle of life is very big. It's not very small because that is what you see. But if you're able to get that empathy for any child, whoever that child is, unrelated to you, then you become the ant because your circle has grown. But it's very, very difficult. It's different too. But that is the aspect.
Baba will help you.
Kiran, I would like to comment on that. I think I feel that is the medicine that I have personally used. We always feel your mind quality is you always want to show that you are greater than the other people anamata. That is the quality of the mind. But here what we have to use is we have to separate ourselves from the mind, and we have to give a medicine. The medicine is whoever you meet, whether the person is a custodian అంటే తుడిచేవాడు వాడు అనమాట, వాడు కానీ ఆర్ పెద్ద CEO కానీ, when you meet them you should internally feel that I am lower than them. ఆ ఫీలింగ్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి you certainly use better words, very humbling words, and that makes other people feel comfortable with you. Number one. Number two, all along without this knowledge, we have always used to be an elephant before others. And somehow it comes out, I am greater than you. And feeling వచ్చేస్తానమాట మీకు. ఎప్పుడైతే when you feel ant, that is when you show the love అనమాట. That's what I want to say. Jai Baba. Very good point.
Inferior గా ఫీల్ అవ్వక్కర్లేదు కదా.
No, that is different from inferiors, auntie.
Not feel inferior to anybody, but you can have sympathy and empathy and pure love.
Yeah.
We need not feel that.
No,
Feel like
so what is the difference between inferiority versus what just Kiran said, being ant and elephant? There is a difference.
కాదు మై, నువ్వు 3 weeks బ్యాక్ చంటిమై నువ్వు చెప్పావు కదా, arrogance versus confidence, assertiveness. Ant can also be confident and assertive, doesn't have to be feeling inferior or arrogant.
Inferiority is nothing but other side of the arrogance.
ఇప్పుడు లవ్ అనేది బేసికల్ గా లేదనుకోండి ఎవరైనా, can we cultivate love?
Ravi, I will tell you. Chanti, I have answer for you. Can I come? Ravi,
Okay.
Ravi, you have to protect
Make
me.
sure
You
you
are
do
my-
it briefly. Make your speech brief,
Chanti
Geeta.
is my elder brother. My elder brother's protection is there from my younger brother. Okay? 2 soldiers
ఆయన
are
నాకు
there.
మెసేజ్ పంపిస్తున్నాడు, గీత ఇస్ టాకింగ్ టూ మచ్ అని.
But చూడు, what I forgotten what I wanted to.
Sorry.
Beautiful thing. ఏం చదవి Chanti, repeat.
ఏం లేదు, ఇప్పుడు ఏమన్నా సపోజ్ సంబడి బేసికల్ గా లవ్ అనేది మైండ్ సెట్ ఉండదు వాడు.
I have an answer. Baba
cultivate
words I am
that?
telling you. Valmiki was a big jungle rowdy, killing the people. Okay? Valmiki, Ramayana, Dasana. You know his history? He doesn't have any mercy. He was killing and looting the people. Suddenly one guru came. He asked, why are you doing for this? For my family.
Narada Gita, Narada.
కాదు విను, నారదుడు కాదు, వన్ గురు. ఓకే, వచ్చినప్పుడు whatever it is, okay, correct my mistake. And he goes to home and asks his wife, whatever I am doing, will you share my karma, papam or punyam? No, why do you share your punyam, papam? Your duty to earn money and feed us. And his children, all the children called, do you share my karma? No. Your duty to rear the children, bring us up. That is one panchayatini duty as a father. He went back. A guru ne katesh pedtadu akkada. Till I come back, you stay here. Okay. He went back and said, no, they are not going to share. When they are not sharing, for their sake, you are doing so much sin, killing, looting, all the papam. Why are you doing all this? Suddenly his eye opened, that third eye or whatever it is. So according to his karma, he had to